Hey everyone, here is the information for week 2. I have a lot to cover, so I'll try to be quick about this. So you look at our week 2 in Moodle, it shows you have 2 assignments that are due this week, post in the safety forum and the 5E learning cycle video response. So I'm going to start with the safety forum since that's actually due sooner. As you can see, your posts are due by 4/12 at midnight. That's this weekend on Sunday at midnight. And that's so that everybody has their role and their topic solidified and has enough time to work on their product, which is part of a safety station that you'll be working on. So hope you all are doing well this week and getting adjusted to online learning. And again, I know everybody's in different places, so just make sure to let me know if you have any concerns or questions. And also remember that I have office hours that are available up here via Zoom. If you are interested in talking to me one-on-one, you can click on that link. It'll give you a schedule of when I'm available, and you can sign up for office hours. So the safety station, this is going to be hopefully a fun project that you're going to get to do. So the first thing I recommend is that you talk with your group, and you can do that in the safety forum. You can actually email your group. You can try to do a Zoom meeting. You can Skype. You can do it all by Google Docs, however it works for your group to get together and decide what topic you're going to choose. So in order to see the list of topics, you actually have to go to your Google Drive folder. And so you should have a shared drive that's called 325 Online 2020. And in there, you'll see an Excel sheet that has the topics. And so for the topics, you have things like roughhousing, don't eat, drink, or chew gum during class, always wear your safety gear, spills or breaks, classroom exits, as well as safety equipment that might be available, like eyewash stations or fire extinguishers, and then following instructions and not touching anything in the lab until instructions have been given. So those are the different topics. There's actually one extra, I think, one more than we have groups. So your group will want to choose one. You have to choose one that another group has not already picked. So the sooner your group decides and picks, the more likely you are to get your topic of your choice. So once you have your topic selected, you're going to go back to the safety forum, and you're going to, only one person in your group needs to post that. I've also now posted the names of all your group members. I noticed there was some confusion about who was in what group, so I've actually posted lists of who is in your group. There should be 4 of you. And so once you've chosen your topic, then you're going to go to the actual, back to our Moodle site, and there are a couple resources that you're going to need for this. So the safety station task card is what you're going to use to determine what your roles are in the group and in the safety station. So this tells you this assignment's worth 10 points. It says each of you will choose one of the roles below, and you are only responsible for completing your role. But you each have to have a role, and it has to be different than somebody else's. So again, the sooner you get together with your group and pick your role, the sooner you can get started on this. So one of the roles is kind of an overview of the safety station, so given the background, kind of the generic information, and creating a graphic organizer. So the graphic organizer will be for students to kind of take notes about the other products in the safety station. So what does your students need to know about the safety station? What do you want them to take away from it? And creating some kind of a graphic organizer that will help them write down key concepts related to the safety topic you chose. Another role is students will, or this person will design a hands-on activity that will help reinforce the key concepts. Make sure you include a materials list and directions for your activity. So for example, if I was going to do, my topic was wearing proper protective equipment, and we're talking about safety goggles, you might have them do a hands-on activity where they actually have to practice using safety goggles and demonstrate, maybe do a skit where they use the safety goggles appropriately and inappropriately. So that could be your activity. That's just an example. The next role is that to either find or create a short video. So you can use all kinds of different kinds of video recording if you want to do your own, or you can just find a short video on your topic that helps to reinforce the key concepts. So, and then you, in addition to linking your video, you will need to write a 1-paragraph summary that describes what's in the video. And then the last one is creating a poster that could be displayed in the classroom to help students remember the essential concepts related to safety and your topic. So those are the four roles. Hopefully each of you will find something that kind of relates to your preferred style of responding. Again, make sure I'll be monitoring the safety forums. So if you have questions, that would be the place to post them. I'll take a look and be looking at those, and we'll respond to your questions in your groups. Only you and your group members should be able to respond and look at what's being said in each group. So with that, I'm going to move on to the, so what you're doing this week, and I'm going to show you the to-do list, is you're picking your topic and you're picking your role. You do not have to submit any part of the project until week 3. So just this week in your safety forum, you're picking your topic and you're picking your role in the safety station for that topic. And those posts are due by next Sunday at midnight. Your second assignment is you're going to do a video response. And so in week 2, you'll see there are some videos that I want you to take a look at. So you're going to actually watch the first 2 videos, which are an introduction to the 5E learning cycle. And then you're going to choose one of the second or the third or fourth video, so either the 1st grade or the 5th grade video, where they actually are demonstrating a 5E learning lesson. And while you're watching those, you're going to actually complete the video notes. So you'll see that I have a template here that I want you to complete. So the first part is, as you're watching the first 2 videos on the introduction, tell me what are the 5Es. And then as you watch either the 1st grade or the 5th grade, you're going to tell me how those were actually addressed in the video in the lesson. So that is your second assignment, the video response. And that template with your notes will be submitted here on Moodle. And that one is actually not due until April 15th, next Wednesday. So those are your assignments for this week. You'll see I've posted the to-do list. All of your resources are here. Some really good resources to check out about your safety station are in the science safety articles, the Flynn safety website, and the type of safety goggles for elementary. So I would review those before you start working on your safety station products. Hope that makes sense, and I hope you all have a good time creating a safety station product and looking at the 5E instructional model, and that you're all staying safe and healthy. And I will be in touch. Again, make sure to let me know, either email me or sign up for office hours if you have questions or concerns or you're struggling. Anything that I can do to help get you through this term is I am willing to work on that with you. And I look forward to seeing your videos this week, your introduction videos this week.